Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here. I hope I can make this quick. I just did a shorter version of this video for my YouTube, Instagram, but I did want to address certain things. My cousin sent me this video of this girl talking about, I'm gonna have to recall this. It's stressing me out here. You know, it's just too much dealing with your natural hair. And it is, and it can be, and it's overwhelming only because other people put their expectations on your hair. Tell them folks to mind their business. What I do with my hair ain't your business, because you're not my hairstylist and you ain't me, and it's hair ain't on your head, so mind your business. But she did talk about how, they say don't use equal solid gel. I never use it. I think it's trash. It did nothing to my hair at all. It does not define my hair. It did not make my hair cute. I don't know about the harmful ingredients in it. I don't use it. But if you want to use it, go ahead and use it. Do what you want to do. But let me just tell y'all something. Whatever you do, be prepared to deal with the consequences of your actions. And when I say that, what I mean is food, for example. We need food. It's to fuel our bodies, to keep us energized. We absolutely need it. However, if you abuse it and you consume it excessively, then you got things like obesity. You got things like diabetes, which I know it's more to it than that. You got things like knees that ache, can't go up and down the stairs, okay? Too much thickness around the knee bone. You just got problems because you wanted to abuse something. If you eat it as directed or in moderation, you know how you're supposed to, that's better, then you won't have all these problems. So, whatever you do, you just don't want to abuse it. For example, she talked about how the glue breaks down your edges or your hairline or something for wigs. Let me tell y'all something. Wigs were never supposed to be glued down forever if you got hair. Full lace wigs for people who didn't have hair. And then even still, people that get it now, like I just sewed this wig down. I don't glue down my lace. One, I'm about to be sweating. It's gonna be lifted. Two, that's not what it was meant for. Y'all see celebrities and y'all see that wet lace and y'all like, oh, give that to me, ma'am. That's not what it was meant for. So yeah, you're gonna have some problems because you're abusing something. So if you want to wear wigs, that's fine. But if you want to wear wigs excessively and glue down your edges every single day and don't let your hair and your scalp breathe, then yeah, you're going to have problems. Now, if you don't care about any of these things, you just want to look good, that's totally fine. You can absolutely do what you want. But if you're trying to care, then there are certain things that you want to do to care for your hair. She also mentioned how they want to not use oils and butters. Let me explain something. I have a video on oils. I'll link that below. But why do you want to use something in your hair that does nothing for the hair? Pause. Oils, for example. Oils, most of them do not penetrate through the hair strand. They don't penetrate through the skin. They just sit on top. If you have something that you're excessively putting on your hair that just sits on it, it's actually blocking what you want to get into your hair. Example, water. So if your natural hair routine is, I'm going to wash my hair once a month and I'm going to put all this product on it, cream, butters, oils, gels, and then I'm gonna wet it and then I'm gonna refresh it and do the same thing, and I'm gonna wash it again once a month. I'm gonna do one shampoo, then I'm actually, before I do that one shampoo, I'm gonna co-wash, and I'm gonna do one shampoo, and then I'm gonna condition, and I'm gonna repeat this process. Now you have what you think is low porosity hair, and it's just hair that is full of crap, so the water can't be absorbed. To have healthy hydrated hair, you want the water to be able to absorb. If you have stuff on your hair that's created a barrier, water can absorb. So now you have hair that doesn't have a natural luster. Now you have hair that your curl pattern is different because water is not absorbing properly. So that's why they say don't use butters and oils excessively. I added the excessively. I use a butter for my hair every time I do a braid down, but I don't do a lot of braid down. My hair is braided down now because I know I was sewing down this wig. It was braided down last week because I was supposed to sew down this wig. But normally my hair is just in 2-strand twists. I don't excessively use any product. I shampoo and condition as I'm supposed to. Even when I'm about to get this sewn in the near future, I usually don't go more than 3 weeks, but I'm going to shampoo my hair in between that, and I'm going to make sure it's completely dry. So I'm going to follow the steps that's appropriate to keep my hair in a healthy state. Again, you can do whatever you want. However, if you want to have healthy hair, then there's certain things that you don't want to do excessively. Okay, if you want to switch up your hairstyles. I do wash and goes. I do the same things. I do natural hairstyles like a bun, wash and go, wig, and crochets. But I do them separately. I don't pause. I'm burning up stuff. I'm not wearing wigs back to back. I mean, I am, but this is the only wig that I sew on. All my other wigs, if I am not leaving this house, my hair is not in the wig. When I'm out and about, and depends on how I'm feeling, because I might not want to put that wig on, okay? So my hair is not normally in a wig having something resting on my edges, this cap resting on my edges. That's not happening 24/7. This is about to be on for maybe a week. It's going to start to pulling back. I put this on lazily, so it might start lifting back in a couple of days. So it might not make it to next week, okay? And that's okay. I'm not doing it excessively. You can wear braids, but if you wear them excessively, then all of a sudden you got an issue with dry hair because you're not shampooing your hair as needed. You have an issue with no edges because you have traction alopecia because you excessively put this tension and this weight and this heaviness on fine pieces of hair. You feel me? So again, you can do whatever you want. For example, I applied these, like I said, with what? Hair glue. And I'm going to keep doing it because I want to go to sleep in my eyelashes, okay? I want to go to sleep in them. I ain't got time to put on eyelashes every day. What do I look like? Do I look like the girl to put on eyelashes every day? I can't stress this enough. Hair typing is irrelevant. Don't get caught up in hair typing. Look up the person who created the hair typing. Not trying to be shady, but this person said that type 4 hair is very difficult, needs to be relaxed. You don't know what the hell you're doing. Because I do my hair every day. Every day. I do people who have type 4 hair all the time. It's very easy to do. If you don't know what you're doing, just say that. So now this person's created something that everybody decided to follow. We don't even know what they're talking about. And there's no science behind what this person said. So don't hair type. It doesn't matter. That's just another way for us to be stressed. Don't worry about it. If you want to, y'all, I'm trying to be fast. I got like 5 minutes. Yeah, don't worry about that hair typing. I like to use hair typing if I want to look up a hairstyle, because sometimes people be like, oh, sleek bun. Man, that's because you got sleek hair. My hair's very much rough. Okay? It's very much ashy. My bun not gonna look like that. So I might look up type 4 buns, type 4 natural hairstyles, just to see how this particular hairstyle will look with somebody who on the surface hair looks like mine. But it don't matter. It's irrelevant. Okay, guys. And also, I know people like to tell you natural hair is so hard, natural hair is so difficult. They lying, they don't know what they're doing. It's very much not. I do my natural hair all the time, and my sister just recently went natural. I tell my mom, why you give us a relaxer? Because our hair is very much easy to do. Why did you put that creamy crack in our hair? I'd be upset. Like, I was like 5. You just gonna put it in my head? But also, I understand. People are saying natural hair is bad. People don't know how to take care of natural hair, even though it's not that serious. So, you know, do what you want to do. Who keep calling me? Gosh, scammers, stop calling me. I'm not answering. Do what you want to do. Do whatever makes you happy. But if your goal is healthy hair, then there's certain steps that you want to follow. There's certain things that you don't want to do excessively. There's certain things you don't want to abuse. Certain things you don't want to abuse. Certain hairstyles. You don't want to overuse or abuse certain products. So I say all that to say, do what you want to do. Can't nobody tell you what to do unless you're in your hairstylist chair and you're asking for advice. And if you're in a hairstylist chair and you're trusting them to do your hair and take care of your hair, listen to what they tell you. Because ain't nobody about to lie to you. And if you feel like they shitty, don't go to them. But you know, ain't nobody who care about hair out here to lie to you. So find you somebody that you can trust. And that's it. I think I said everything I had to say. Anywho, you guys, this is just a random video. So you guys, make sure you like, subscribe, share, check out all my other videos, and I have to go back to work because I'm unemployed now. Bye.